we are going to try newly unreleased products ng BLK Cosmetics. So, the first one that we are going to try is the Radiant Glow Filter Complexion Booster. This is waterproof and sweat resistant. So, let's see anong dupe ito. So, dupe siya ng e.l.f. And this is trending. This is trending in TikTok. Kasi yung package, kasi naglabas sila ng illuminator. May nakita sila dun sa Watsons. And luckily, I found one in here. And I believe this is not available online. So, we're gonna blend this out. Let's see. Okay. It reminds me of e.l.f. Halo Glow Filter with this product. This is 549 pesos with this. Product claims to be a foundation because illuminator siya for me because of the dewy finish with this one. Then of course, their lip balms with SPF. So here are the shades: Negroni, Cherry Fizz, and Rose. So here all the in-the-hand swatches, ililip swatch ko siya. This is in the shade Rose. So si Rose, parang yung formula nito, it's more on a lipstick. It's more on a tinted lip balm, but tinted lip balm lang siya for me with this one. Pero para siyang glossy lipstick on my preference with this one. Next shade with this one, this is Cherry Fizz. So, parang ano lang siya, glossy lipstick lang. Satin lipstick lang. Hindi siya lip balm. Talaga na literal. This is a satin lipstick for me, the formulation with this one. And lastly, this is in the shade Negroni. So, this is my favorite shade among the rest. Second, so I'm ranking it first si Negroni, second si Rose, and third si Cherry Fizz. I like satin formula siya. Hindi siya typical na lip balm. Kasi yung typical na lip balm, naalala ko yung formula ng Teviant and more. This one is more on a satin lipstick finish. And the packaging is very madumihin talaga. Very madumihin siya. You need to clean this all the time. And I like the color. I like the reference of their colors with this. With this one, with the cover, represents its color. Pero sobrang, yun nga lang, sobrang madumihin.